this circuit. Okay, ma? Let's take this as example. So first you will see KVL. KVL is second law is KVL, first law is KCL. Okay, ma? Kirchhoff first law na current law. Second law is what? Voltage law. Okay, so this is first law and this is second law. Okay. So KVL says that sum of voltage drop in any loop is equal to 0. Okay. This is a loop. This is one loop. How many loops are there here? 1 and 2. Okay, ma? This is also considered to be loop 3 loop, outer loop. Anyway, we can apply KVL only to inner loops. So there are 2 inner loops. Okay, right? If I have one more thing like this, then I have 3 loops. This is one loop. Okay, right? So now the box closed, box is known to be a loop, closed box or circle, whatever it is, which is closed is known to be loop. Okay, ma? Right? So applying KVL here, first you will see sum of voltage drop. What is voltage drop here? It is B. It is a direct voltage value. Take it as 20. What is the voltage value here? 20. Okay. If I go in this direction, I will take leaving side. Okay. So this is ending is minus 20, leaving is what? Plus 20. So 20. Always the resistors are considered to be voltage drops. So we are putting minus. Okay. Right? What is the voltage value for this resistor?
2. Minus 2.
2 is resistor value. Voltage value. KVL means everything I need to write in terms of voltage. This is voltage value. So I wrote as such thing. But this is not a voltage value. It is a resistor value. I need a voltage across this resistor. I cannot write resistor value. I should write what is the voltage across that resistor. Just tell me what is the voltage across this resistor? What is the voltage across the resistor? V is equal to I into R. So current into this R value. I want voltage value. What is voltage? Current into resistor value. Resistor value already I know. Current value what I don't know. I can take this loop as I1 current. So entirely whatever here that is I1. Entirely whatever here that is known to be I2. Okay, right? So this is nothing but 2 into I1. Okay, so the voltage value is 2 into I1. Okay, then here what is the voltage value? What is the value for this? 3, yeah. Okay, 4 and 9. Okay, 3 into
I1 minus I2.
I1 minus
I2.
If I write mesh analysis, I should write in such a way that this current is also going like this. This current is coming out, right? Enter out and leave out. So both current subtraction. I1 minus I2. See, the current direction is very, very important. As I have taken, this is also clockwise, this is also clockwise. This is entering here and this is going like this, right? So it is I1 minus I2. If this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise, then both current are entering into this resistor, then it is I1 plus I2. Okay? Okay, that is for the normal, branch current method. But for mesh analysis, there is a rule you should assume everything in a forward direction, clockwise direction. So if clockwise assume definitely I1 minus I2 okay, ma? Right? Ellame clockwise are center resistors minus one current will leave enter, other current will leave. Okay? So any other equipment is there here? Any other component is there? All 3 components we wrote. So sum of voltage drop equal to 0. That is what KVL. is oval. Okay. Now, see they will ask you question anything from find currents. They give us that. See, current is unknown, right? I1 and I2 is unknown. We have voltage source, we have resistor values, we don't know the current features is as simple as I1 and I2. So I am going to find out what? Current here. So find current and I should use KVL. In any mesh, find current, I should use KVL. Find voltage, na? Yes, the voltage data. KCL. Right? Yes. Now KVL for the second loop, tell me. Current is I2. How many components are there? I have only 3 components. All 3 components are resistor. There is no voltage source. Okay, you can start from any resistor. Let me start at 5. Right? So minus 5 into what is the current to I5? Only I2. No other current is flowing. So minus 5 into I2. Then minus 10 into I2. Then minus, what is this?
I2 minus I1.
3 into
I2 minus I1.
I2 minus I1 is equal to 0. See the same 3 when I write for first loop it is I1 minus I2. The same 3 when I write for second loop it is I2 minus I1. The majority current, the priority takes that loop current. Okay, so that is why I am putting I2. Again simplifying this. So 3I1 minus 18 I2 is equal to 0. That is your equation. Now we can just use a Cramer's rule or normal solution method. Only 2 loop now you can go with normal solution method. If I have one more loop, then 3 current will only unknown current. Then you need to go with Cramer's rule. Okay, ma? See how many loops are there? That many currents will be there. Here there are 2 loops. So I1, I2, mattuna and equation there, no possible of getting I3 or not. If I have one more loop, either here, it may be here or it may be here, wherever it is. If I have one more loop, then that loop carry I3. Otherwise, only I1 and I2. How many loops are there? That many currents I will be having. They will just give you find currents, which means what? You need to find both I1 and I2. Just solve. Suppose if I have one more voltage source here, how will you write the equation? Say some 5 volt. So minus 5 into I2, right? Voltage source we are putting leaving sign. So if it is entered in plus sign, it is leaving in minus 5. Voltage source of the value we should just write as such. So it will be getting here minus 5 minus 10 into I2. For voltage, don't multiply I2 and R. V value direct I should write. For R only we are multiplying I because I want voltage value which is I into R. Right? So now this minus 5 you can take it to this side, it will become plus 5. Then that is equation number 2. Okay? If I have symbol like this, then it is plus 5. Leaving side we are entering in minus 5, leaving in plus 5. So now here it will become plus 5. If you take that, here it will become minus 5. Okay? You see only the leaving sign. Leaving sign is plus, put plus. Leaving sign is minus, put minus. Okay? So எத்தனை voltage source கொண்டிருக்கோமோ I can able to write the equation. Okay? Right? Clear? KVL is clear. This is normal equation method. There is one more method which is known to be inspection method. What is inspection method? What is the formula for inspection method? I have only 2 loops. So inspection method you will be having R11, R12, R21, R22 into I1, I2 is equal to V1, V2. You can either do by this method or that method, whichever is easier for you. Okay? In some questions it will be mentioned do in equation method, do in inspection method. Or mention panna, you should put only in that method. Yes? Mesh na another that is R2 value. R12 means what? 1 to 2 to central. If I have any resistance between 1 and 2. So what is the resistance I have between 1 and 2? 3. If I don't have resistance here, then that is 0. Okay. So 1 and 2 control the resistance 3. So always the center resistance takes minus values. Okay. Always center resistance takes minus values. Okay. If I have one more loop here, say for example 5, then the equation R13, R23, R21, R22, 32, 31, 32, 33. Like this is it. Then R13 is 0. There is no resistance between first loop and third loop. So R13 is 0. R13 is 0, R31 is also 0. Okay. Then what is R23? 2 from 3 from under 10. So that is minus 10. R33 is what? 10 plus 5, 15. R13 is 0. There is no resistance between 1 and 3. 1 to 3 connote resistance kadaiya. 1 to 3 amu porilla. So it is 0. R13 0 and R31 is 0. Okay. How many loops are there? That many rows will be here. Okay, right? So just for example, I take this and into unknown value I1, I2, we need to find out unknown value. What is V1, V2? V1 for the first group is again leading sign it is plus 20. Here leading sign is plus, so plus 5. திருப்பி எழுதுனா minus 5. Okay ma? Right? 25. Again if you put Cramer's rule, you know how to find out del value. What is del value? 5 into 18 minus 3 into minus 3 is del value. What is this doing? I can see your mobile phone from here. Is that anything very much important now? You can go out with your mobile. You know everything this, right? Tappu you will solve in the examination. Didn't it? You will just flow and go. Ooh, that's it. Huh? KVL is clear? Both methods. See which method is clear for you, that method you go. Okay? Right? Again in the method you should write this equation only. Okay, ma? See? 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 on the chart. 3 minus 3, 18 actually. This mark photo. Minus 3, 18 now on the mark photo. If you solve it, you will get the answer. Okay, ma? Right? Same matrix only you will be getting. Okay? So here we are directly putting that. Summer? See 5. First column you should write only I1 value. 5 into I1, 3 into I1. The mark 18 into I1 முன்னாடி போட்டு இங்க 18 போடுவாரு. ஓகேவா? அதனால இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோ. I1, I2, I3 you just arrange it and okay. So 5 3. What is again? It is minus 3 minus 18 into I1, I2 is equal to 25. Okay, then finding the del value. Del value means taking only this value. 5 minus 3, 3 minus 18. Del எப்படி போணும்? 5 into minus 18. நடுவுல minus ஆமா? 3 into minus 3. This is del value. Okay, ma? Then next what should I do? I should put del into I1. What is del into I1?
20.
Del into I1 is what? You remove this I1, 25 here. That is del into I1. So it is 25 minus 3 minus 18. So if I solve it, it is 20 into minus 18 minus 5 into minus 3. That is del into I1 value. Del into just replace this. So it is 5, 3, 25. So if I do like this, I am getting del into I. Then what is I1? This is del I1, del I2. I1 only I1 I1. I1 is what? Del I1 divided by del. So del will cancel, that is I1. So whatever value I am getting here, that value divided by this del value you will be getting, right? That value. If you substitute, you will be getting I1. Again, if you divide del I2 by again this del, you will be getting I1. You didn't. Oh, del value. Good, very good. Keep it. Okay, calculate tomorrow. You need to complete the entire problem. Okay, ma? Right? If I have 3 cross 3 matrix, then you know how to solve matrix for 3 cross 3? Okay, ma? 3 cross 3 model. Okay? Next. Go. Then nodal analysis is it running. Then what you guys are doing? Don't talk. You asked for revision, right? Then what you guys are doing? Yes. Then nodal analysis. Nodal analysis is they will ask you to find the voltage. Find the V1, V2 or find the voltage or apply nodal analysis. Question may be anything. Apply nodal analysis, apply KCL or find the voltage. Okay? Right? Imagine the same circuit here. What is the steps? First step in KCL. This is voltage. This is voltage. This is ohms, which means what? Resistance. Okay. Right? What is the first step in KCL? What is KCL? Sum of outgoing current is equal to sum of incoming current, which means that in a node, the sum of incoming current and sum of outgoing current will be equal to 0. Okay. Which one is node here? The center point is node. So how many nodes I have here? Only one node. Okay. Right? We have one more resistor here. Then here this is one node. 2 nodes. Okay. The center resistor will be the dividing nodes. Resistor. Central resistor in the meter irundha adu munnadi oru node adukku. I mean, munnadi oru node adukku oru node center irundha mattum. Okay, so how many nodes I have? 3. Right. 1 and 2 nodes. Okay. So for the circuit I have only 1 node. So how many unknown voltage will be there? Only one unknown voltage V1 or V2. 2 nodes are not 2 unknown voltage V1, V2. Rendu loop irundha rendu unknown current, right? So 2 volt nodes, it is 2 unknown voltages. Okay? You understand which one is node? Right? Now what should I do? You need to check whether the given sources voltage source or current source. KCL are they ask you to find the voltage. The source must be current source only. Okay ma? Voltage source irundha KCL apply panna mudiyum. Current source irundha KCL apply. So we are going to apply KCL, but we have what source here? Voltage. So I should convert the voltage source into current source. Idhaan problem e proceed panna mudiyum. I cannot proceed the problem with this diagram. Okay? So how to proceed the problem? ampere. So I1 is 5 ampere, I2 is 4 ampere. I should redraw the diagram. So first step is what? For applying KCL, I should check whether the given source is voltage source or current source. And sometimes one will be voltage source, one will be current source. So current source keep as such. Don't do any conversion. One side அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கோ. ஒரு சைடு மட்டும் கன்வர்ட் பண்ணு. ஒரு ரெண்டு சைடு மாத்தினா ரெண்டு சைடு கன்வர்ட் பண்ணு. ஓகேவா? Right? So how to redraw the diagram? Second step is redraw the diagram. How to redraw the diagram? Remove this voltage source, put current source with 5 ampere. Okay? So current source to become 5 ampere. In the two every marking parallel. Current source the next resistor should be always in parallel. Voltage source the next resistor will be in series, right? Current source series of irukkalam, but na idu vechi convert panniten. So adha enna maathikkom parallel convert. So you face position like this now. Okay, I have converted source and position of the resistor. Okay, right? And that side here, what is the current value? 4 ampere. Position of the resistor is 5 ohms. Diagram over. No, we have one more resistor here, 3 ohms. That அப்படியே தான் 3 ohms எப்படி இருந்ததோ அப்படியே தான் 3 ohms is like this. So put 3 ohms like this. Okay, right? Now conversion and redrawing the diagram is clear. How to convert? Very simple. I is equal to V by R, 10 by 2. It is 3 R, 10 by 3 will be getting point value. That's it. Okay, again it is 20 by 5. The voltage value has changed the current value, which is 5 ampere, which is 4 ampere. So put 5 ampere here, 4 ampere there, and replace the resistor's direction, position. Arrow mark எப்படி போடணும்? Towards positive. மேல positive இருக்கறனால மேல நோக்கி போடணும். Suppose source இப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா இப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா your arrow mark should face downwards. Arrow mark should face towards positive direction. Which means what? இப்படி தான current போகும். சர்க்யூட்ல positive ல தான current போகும். So current கீழ நோக்கி போகும். That's a simple logic. Okay, right? So arrow mark is up, so we are putting the current is also in up direction. How many nodes are there? See, after we convert, if you take node, we will be having 3 parallel resistors. Node will get confused. So before conversion, mark the node and then do conversion. So same node, we only one node which is B. Okay, right? After conversion அப்ப நோட் மார்க் பண்ணாங்க மூணு ரெசிஸ்டர் parallel இருக்கு இது ஒரு நோட் நம்ம கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகும் so before நோட மார்க் பண்ணிட்டு கன்வர்ட் பண்ணா it will be easier for you carry the same node again okay right now KCL apply the KCL in that node so what is KCL to the node sum of the incoming current is equal to sum of the outgoing current 5 towards node 5 is flowing towards the node 3 is 4 is also flowing towards the node which means 5 and 4 are incoming currents to the node. Node ku rendu ulla podu. So incoming means incoming current. So sum of incoming currents are 5 plus 4. Those are current value. Already current value. So I am just writing current value directly. Equal to sum of outgoing currents. All the resistors are considered to be outgoing currents. Remember. Inga ella resistorum KVL la potential drop. Minus 4 only. Inga ella resistors is considered to be outgoing currents. Okay, எத்தனை resistor connect ஆயிருந்தாலும் everything is sum of outgoing currents only. So what is outgoing current? Resistor value current format la இருக்கும். In terms of current, what is current? I is equal to V by R. What is voltage here? V. R value is 2. So sum of outgoing current is V by 2 plus V by 3. Sum of plus V by 5. Right? Yes, now this is 9 is equal to V into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Just compute it and bring to the denominator. section that divides two nodes. So there I have a node. Here I have one node. For this you should write inspection method. Go with inspection method. That will be easier. Here inspection method is stopped. Okay. So how to write inspection method for this? See, for mesh also we have inspection method. For node also inspection method. For both we have equation method also. Okay. Going to inspection method, tell me if I have single node, go with this method. Okay. Single node the R11, R12 that is not possible. Single node go with this method. More than one node, go with the inspection method with nodal analysis. Because nodal analysis equation writing will be difficult. Always go with the inspection method itself. It will be easier. Okay, ma? Alright? Just formula is here it is not R, there are. Here it is G. Very good. Here it is G, G11, G12, G21, G22. I have two nodes to 2 cross 2 matrix. Suppose if I have 3 nodes, I should write, you see, loops, 3 loops are there. So you should not write 3 cross 3 matrix. We are doing nodal analysis. You should see only nodes. Mesh analysis பார்க்கும்போது loop பார்ப்போம். 3 loop இருந்தா 3 cross 3 matrix. இப்போ என்ன எழுதணும்? nodal analysis எழுதணும். nodes எத்தனை இருக்கோ அத்தனை matrix போடணும். ஓகேவா? ரைட். into here unknown is b. அங்க I into I is equal to r, இங்க வந்து b is equal to I மாத்தி போடாத, everything will be wrong. What value you know, that value will come after the equal to. Okay, unknown value here, known value here. Okay, so what is one r or G11? G11 is 1 by r11. Conductance is inverse of resistance. G is conductance, R is resistance. So conductance is inverse of resistance. So it is 1 by R12, 1 by R21, 1 by R22 into V1, V2 is equal to I1, I2. Okay, on the diagram. 1 by R11 diagram is 5 2 is the we actually put things somewhere. So we'll take 2 nodes. And we are now applying for this diagram. Now V1 is what? R11 is now the resistance is connected to the first node. So the resistor like the first node connected. See, first node connected resistor 2, 3, 5. Okay. So R11 is what? Resistance is connected only to first node. So 2, 3 and 5. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Okay, right? R12 is resistance is present between first node and second node. This is first node, this is second node. Between first node and second node is this horizontal resistor which is 5. Only one resistor. So it is what? Minus 1 by 5. R21 is also minus 1 by 5. What is R22? The resistance is connected to the second node. If we take this is second node, see 5 is connected, 4 is connected, 6 is also connected. You should not leave this 5 there. 5 or 1 into 2 are connected. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Right? So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 into V1, V2 unknown value is equal to I1, I2. I1 is incoming current to the node area plus outgoing current to the node area minus. See I1 5. 5 is the first node is incoming, so it is plus 5. Here V2 4 plus outgoing from that node, so that is minus 4. இதுவும் incoming ஆனா plus 4 plus 5. Okay ma? So it is plus 5 and minus 4. Okay. இந்த நோடுக்கு வர கரண்ட் என்னது 5. So node உள்நோக்கி வருது, so plus 5. What is the current come to this node? 4. Node la இருந்து வெளிநோக்கி போகுது, so it is minus 4. Okay ma? Right? So when I have horizontal resistor இருந்தாதா ரெண்டு நோடுக்கு நடுவுல உள்ள resistor தான் அர்த்தம். Okay ma? இப்போ இதுவுமே வெர்டிகலா இருந்ததுன்னா அது சிங்கிள் நோடு தான். Okay ma? Right? Horizontal resistor divides two nodes actually. Again the same similar thing. Find delta. For this you need definitely need calculator because everything is 1 by value. You will be getting some decimal number. So you need to work out with the calculators.
1.02.
Okay, whatever it is. You just calculated del value, del I1, del V1, del V2. And then find out V1 and V2. Okay? Right? And then we have current division rule and voltage division rule. What is current and voltage division rule? With this will stop. What is current division rule? Current division rule. They have cycle like this. This is some file. What source is this?
Current.
Current source. So incoming la enna varum 5 ampere varum. Clear? What is the value of this resistor? Let us take 10, 15. Okay. So current divider rule. I want to find out. See here I will come. Definitely here I1 I2 will get divided. It will get divided. So in this leg I1 will flow and in this resistor I2 will flow. Which means the incoming current will get divided in two resistors. Rendu resistor la mattum divide ana you can use the formula what I am writing here. Okay, right? I know the total current. What is total current? Which is 5 ampere. Idu varaiku 5 ampere is coming. 5 ampere is now getting divided here and here. How much it will get divided? Idhula evlo pogu idhula evlo pogu appo na what is I1, what is I2, right? I need to find out I1 value. So I1 value is the formula is this is R1. See respective I1 is R1, I2 is R2. The formula is R2 into I divided by R1 plus R2. Opposite resistor into total current divided by sum of two resistors. R1 la value வேணும்னா மேல என்ன போடணும்? R1 ஓட current வேணும்னா மேல என்ன போடணும்? R2 போடணும். R2 ஓட current வேணும்னா மேல என்ன போடணும்? R1 into I divided by R1 plus R2. So this is nothing but 15 into 5 divided by 10 plus 15 is 25. This is 10 into 5. Okay. ரெண்டுக்கு ஒரு ஆன்சர் வரும்ல, அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணினா டோட்டல் கரண்ட் 5 வரும். இதுக்கு 2 வரும், மேபி இதுக்கு 3 வரும். ஆட் பண்ணினா என்ன வரும்? 5 வரும். இல்லனா இது 2.5, இது 2.6, இது 2. அந்த மாதிரி எப்படி வந்தாலும் டோட்டல் கரண்ட் என்ன வரணும்? 5 வரும். because 5 தான் இங்க ரெண்டுக்கு டிவைட் ஆயிருக்கு. இப்போ ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணினா என்ன வரணும்? 5 வரணும். ஓகேவா? This is current division rule. You understand? வந்துதா? This is voltage division rule. See for example, if this is 5, this is 10, some current I is coming. See 5 is coming here for the entire loop. What is the current? Entire loop current enna markum? I ah irukum. There is no division, right? For the entire loop current will be what? I. There is no current division, but voltage will get divided. Some V is coming here. Here V1 will be dropped. Here V2 will be dropped. So just opposite. Same resistor into V divided by R1 plus R2. V2 வேணும்னா R2 into V divided by R1 plus R2. What is the difference between current and voltage division rule?
V. I V voltage current.
See, total voltage வேணும். Voltage எவ்வளவு டிவைட் ஆகுது தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா V1 க்கு இங்க என்ன போடணும்? அதே ரெசிஸ்டரோட வேல்யூ மேல போடணும். V1 வேணும்னா மேல 5 போடணும். Divided by 10 plus 5 15. V2 வேணும்னா 10 போடணும். Divided by 10 plus 5 15. Okay, இங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஆப்போசிட் ரெசிஸ்டரோட வேல்யூ போடணும். I1 வேணும்னா I1 ஓட வேல்யூ மேல போடணும். பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற என்ன ரெசிஸ்டர் வேல்யூ இருக்கோ அது மேல போடணும். That is the difference between current and voltage division rule. Okay, ma? The resistor in series, this is resistor in parallel. Okay? Right? What?
Node analysis.
Nodal analysis.
Node value. KCL.
So, up to this is clear?